Hey, what's up, guys? We're doing a 2021 Toyota Tacoma.
2021?
Yeah, brand new. I think it's the basic model. I was looking up online. They got the TRD, the Sports, and some other ones, but this one's the basic model trim. But it's nice. I like it. Makes me want to get one, the Sport one, or the TRD one, the TRD Sport one, whichever one. But yeah, it's pretty nice. Let's check it out. Alright, let's check out the driver's side. It's pretty cool. Flat black. Like the wheels. We got your window controls. There's a little leather on it. Alright. We got floor mats. Pretty nice floor mats. That got the cloth interior. Real nice. And you got your cargo lights, the door, traction control, and your cluster, your little LCD screen in the center. I was gonna say middle or center. You got your steering wheel controls. Lane assist, crash collision alert. You got your little cubby hole, 2 cup holders, a little storage compartment right here. It's real nice. A lot of room in the center. You got your switches, parking lights, USB, all your HVAC controls, and your screen right there. Decent screen size. I like this. Pretty big. Sunshade. Your shade holder. Shade holder up here. That's pretty cool. I like it. Nice. Cool. You got your cruise controls right there. I got it set. So I got the front driver's seat set the way I sit. Let's see how much room there is in the back. Oh, pretty good. It's pretty good. Pretty good. It's pretty good. Decent room. Sit a little higher up here. Look at that. You got your cup holders right here again for the rear passengers. I know I've seen some the TRDs or the Sport has a sunroof. It's pretty cool. This is real nice. Also, I like this one too. You got your little window. Little window right there. You got your cup holders right there also for the rear doors. That's pretty cool. Not hot. A trailer hitch, V6. Then passenger side, glove box. Pretty cool. This is pretty high. Imagine getting a lift kit on this. It looked bad. It looked barely bad. compare. Let's check out the engine. Hold on. This is pretty nice. High. We got HIDs. Your high beams right there. Your fog lights. It's nice.
Dad.
Huh? Oh yeah, the light turns on. Yeah, that's cool. I like that. Let's check out the engine. Oh my god. Okay, I thought I had gas shocks. Woo. Damn, look at that V6. Tiny alternator. Man, that's really small. AC compressors right under there. Decent battery. Got your little brake booster. It's a big intake. But it sounds nice if you put a K&N on that. It's nice. I like this. Woo. Pretty nice V6. Nice. Nice shocks. Rides real smooth. Real smooth. A little front cover. And we got the fin, radio fin, satellite. This is nice though. I like that little window, get a camper, have an airflow through it. The bed's nice. This is different. There's a cover on it. And then you can get little cover straps right there too. That's pretty cool. And you got your reverse camera. That's nice. Oh, I guess it locks. Need the key. It's pretty nice. I like it. Armrest. Got the headrest. Center set. That's pretty cool. Let's check out what it looks like back here. There goes your roadside kit. That's pretty cool. Got your little hooks up there. Headrest is small for the rear view rear view mirror. It's nice. I like this. Take it off-roading, huh? Bounces real nice. The suspension. So what do you think?
Good.
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
Pretty good, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. A lot of room sitting right there. Yep. Nice.